The OEMTOOLS Circuit and Relay Tester is used for diagnosing circuits, bypassing relays, and testing components such as your car's starter, AC compressor, and fuel pump. To get started, remove the relay from the breakout box under the hood. Compare the pins on the relay to find the proper adapter and plug it in. Connect the relay test unit to the battery. All LEDs should illuminate to indicate the unit is on. Connect the tester unit to the dummy relay. At connection points 30, 86, and 85, a green light indicates a connection to the battery and a red light indicates connection to ground. There should be at least one red and one green light illuminated when testing any given circuit. Both the red and green light should not illuminate on any given circuit, as this indicates a short in the circuitry. Toggle the switch to the first position to test the component of a 4-pin and the second position for a 5-pin relay. Additional troubleshooting with a multimeter can be done using the breakout terminals.